Sup? It's me, Lil Hamster, and today I'm going to give my predictions for Delali Day 1. And luckily, this pay per view is on Sunday in India. That means I can perfectly do a live reaction, maybe? I don't know. And also, the predictions I'm going to give right now might change as you know, constantly keep thinking. So the total final predictions will come up in a live stream as KTP has finally accepted my challenge. So it will be KTP versus SCP on day 1 January. So let's go. I can't wait to beat up KTP verbally, but yeah, that will at least break his arrogance. So let's get on with the predictions. First up, Drew McIntyre vs Madcap Moss. Well, no brainer, Drew McIntyre gonna win. For the SmackDown Tag Team Championship, The New Day versus Usos. Well, this feud must have been very good if they build it correctly. Currently, I'm not excited in this. I want Usos to win, but I know they are just behind New Day, so maybe New Day is gonna win. I don't really care. Next up, Miz versus Edge. Here, I think Miz is gonna win because if they want to build up to Miz and Maryse versus Edge and Beth, so then Miz needs a win, and why is there Maryse? I mean, she must do some cheating in order to help Miz to win. Now for the Intercontinental Championship, Shinsuke Nakamura versus Sami Zayn. This is first time in at least 3 months that Nakamura is defending his title. Not his fault though. Well, I think it's gonna be Sami Zayn because he just resigned with the company, so they want to make him happy. So Sami is gonna win. So for the Raw Tag Team title, RK Bro versus Street Profit. No brainer, it's gonna be RK Bro. Now for the Raw Women's Championship, Becky Lynch versus Liv Morgan. Well, fans have been behind Liv for a long time and she proved that she can be a champion. So, first title defense of 2022, it's gonna be Liv Morgan being your new champ. Now maybe the most important match on the card. Roman Reigns versus Brock Lesnar for the Universal Championship. This match is more important because Paul Heyman is now not with Brock Lesnar or not with Roman. Well, I think it's gonna be Roman because they want to do Roman vs Brock at Mania and maybe Roman vs Drew at Rumble. So if they're planning for Drew to face Roman at Rumble, that clearly means that Roman is gonna win. And maybe Paul Heyman comes here and betrays Lesnar to prove his innocence to Roman Reigns. So Roman gonna reign. Now the most fantastic match on the card, WWE Championship Fatal 4-Way between KO, Seth Rollins, Big E and Almighty Bobby Lashley. I mean, look at the star cast. It's one of the best multi-man matches I've seen in recent history. And I hope WWE does not mess this up with some stupid ending. Here, Big E should clearly win because he's a new champ and other 3 guys have been champ before him. So Big E at least needs to go till WrestleMania as the champion. And maybe down the road it will be Seth or KO to dethrone him, or maybe Finn Balor, I don't know. But here Big E needs to win. So Big E for the win. So those were my final predictions for WWE Day 1. And with the matches on the card, I think it can be a quite banger show. So after this, the road to WrestleMania begins. Let's get ready for this. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay safe because COVID is back. I care for you guys. So see you later.
Lemonade.